So our question is to solve the simultaneous equation by Cramer's rule. So the given equation is x plus y minus 8 divided by 2 equals to x plus 2y minus 14 divided by 3 equals to 3x minus y divided by 4. So we have given this equation, so we will form two equations with the help of this one equation. Okay, so it will become, so we will first write from given equations we will form two simultaneous equation. So to first get one simultaneous equation, we will do this and this. We will take these two equations. Okay, so x plus y minus 8 by 2 equals to 3x minus y by 4. So we have took these two equations, so we will first multiply both sides by 4. So here 4 will get cancelled and here 2 2 are 4. So multiplying both sides by 4. Okay, so here we will multiply by 4, so 2 2s are 4, so here it will be remaining will be 2, so 2 in the bracket x plus y minus 8 equals to, here 4 and 4 will get cancelled, so it will be as it is. So now we will multiply this bracket, so 2x plus 2y minus 16 equals to 2x plus 2y, 2 8 is 16, that is minus 16 equals to 3x minus y. Now we know that the Cramer's rule is all the x and y terms will be on the left side and all the numbers will be on right side. Okay, so here this is x term, this is y term, this is number, so it will go on right, and these are the x and y terms, so they will come here. 3x, it is positive, so it will become here negative minus 3x. Here it is minus y, so here it will be plus y equals to minus 16 become plus 16. Okay, so now we will just do the calculation. 2x minus 3x. Okay, it will give you 2x minus 3x will give you minus x, and 2y plus y will give you plus 3y equals to 16. So this will be our equation number 1. Okay, now we have got our equation number 1. Now we will solve for equation number 2. So for equation number 2, we will take this term and this term. Okay, so for equation number 2, we will get x plus 2y minus 14 divided by 3 equals to 3x minus y by 4. Okay, so now here we will do cross multiplication. So by cross multiplication, here we will multiply this with 4, that is 4 in the bracket x plus 2y minus 14 equals to, here we will multiply this with 3, that is 3 in bracket 3x minus y. Okay, so now we will simply solve the bracket, that is 4x, 4 2s are 8y, 14 4s are 14 4s is 56, so 14 4s are minus 56 equals to 3 3s are 9x minus 3 into y, it is minus 3y. Now according to the Cramer's rule, we will take all the x and y terms on the left side and all numbers on the right side. Okay, so 4x plus 8y, it will become negative, this will become positive, and this will become positive. Now we will do further calculation. 4x minus 9x gives you minus 5x, and here it will 8y plus 3y gives you 11y equals to 56. Okay, so this is our equation number 2. Now we have got two equations, that is this is equation number 1 and this is equation number 2. Now we have to solve this by Cramer's rule. Okay, so we will just take the values of a1 a2 from a1 b1 and c1 from equation number 1 and a2 b2 and c2 from equation number 2. Okay, so the values of a1 will be a1 equals to -1, b1 equals to 3, c1 equals to 16, and from equation number 2 we will get a2 equals to -5, b2 equals to 11 and c2 equals to 56. So these are the values of a1 b1 c1 and a2 b2 c2. Now we know the formula. Okay, I will solve just here so that we will get all the values. Okay, so the formula to find x is dx by d, and to find the value of y is dy by d. We don't know the values of d and dx and dy, so we will solve first the values for d, dx and dy. So for this I will take new page. Okay, now we have to find the value of d, dx and dy. So the formula for d is a1 a2 and b1 b2. Okay, so the value for a1 a2 is -1 -5, and the value for b1 b2 is 3 and 11. Now we will solve this. We will get -11 minus of -5 into 3. Okay, so here -11 minus of minus will become plus, and 5 3s are 15. So the value for d is 4. Okay, so we have got the value for d, that is 4. Now we will solve the value for dx. So to get dx we have the formula. We will substitute c1 and c2 in the place of a1 and a2. Okay, so c1 and c2 in the place of a1 and a2, and b1 and b2 will be as it is. Now we will substitute these values. So we will get 16, 56, 3 and 11. Okay, now we will cross multiply 16 into 11 minus 56 into 3. So 16 into 11 will give you 176 minus 56 into 3 will give you 168. Okay, so it will give you 8. So the value of dx we have got, that is 8. Now we will solve the value for dy. So to get the value for dy we have the formula. We will write a1 a2 as it is, and we will put c1 and c2 in the place of b1 and b2. c1 and c2. Okay, this is the formula for dy. So we will just substitute the values. a1 and a2 is -1 and -5, and c1 and c2 is 16 and 56. Okay, so we'll do here multiplication. 56 into -1 gives you -56 minus -5 into 16. So it will be -56, minus of minus will become plus. 16 5 is 80, so it will become 80 minus 56 gives you 24. So the value for dy is 24. Now we have got all the three values. Now we will solve for x and y. So x is equals to dx by d. The value of dx is 8, the value of d is 4, so it will give you 2. And for y the formula is dy by d. The value for dy is 24 and the value of d is 4. So 4 6 are 24. So the value of y is 6. So we have got the x and y values, that is x is equals to 2 and y is equals to 6. So we have solved our simultaneous equation.